Hey guys, Rachel here with vicrez.com. Today, we will be looking at how to install VZ101705, our Vicrez V3R style rear diffuser for the 2015 to 2019 Dodge Charger models, including the SRT, Scat Pat, and Hellcats. This rear diffuser is designed to give your Charger a modern yet aggressive new look, and while enhancing high-speed stability, it really gives a complementary curb appeal. It is constructed from a durable polypropylene polymer and precisely engineered by using the car's 3D scanned CAD data. This product comes in a high-quality gloss black finish, ready to install right out of the box, and no additional painting required. Installation for this product is going to be fairly simple. The tools required for installation are a power drill, painter's tape, screwdriver or socket wrench, a microfiber towel and mallet, which is optional, and if you can, an extra set of hands would be quite helpful. Locate the push pins and bolts underneath your bumper. Then you will need to remove them before pulling off the bumper cover in full. After you have removed the bumper cover, you can apply some painter's tape along the edge of the bumper as a precautionary measure if you wish to protect it from any possible scratches during the mounting process. Next, you will need to drill some holes on the rear diffuser to mount it onto your bumper. A simple way to do this is by using the existing holes from the bumper cover. You can match the holes by aligning the bumper cover to the diffuser in order to reuse the positions on your bumper. Now that you've finished drilling the holes, line up the tabs on your diffuser with the slots on your bumper. Apply some pressure to hold the diffuser in place and remove the painter's tape. Start pushing it from the center of the bumper, working your way outwards. It may require some force to get the tabs in. If needed, you may use that mallet mentioned above, shielded with a microfiber cloth to apply additional force if needed. Vicrez.com recommends that you do try, however, to push the diffuser in by hand in order to avoid possible damages to the diffuser. Once you have pushed the diffuser onto the bumper and everything is properly mounted, reinsert the push pins and screw in the bolts. Please make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos, as well as our newsletter for exclusive promotions and discounts sent straight to your inbox.